Host, hello and welcome to our channel, your ultimate source for the latest news and updates in the world of network marketing in India. I'm your host, your name, and today we have an exciting video lined up for you. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our future videos. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to explore the dynamic world of network marketing in India? In this video, we will bring you the most relevant and up-to-date news, trends, and insights from the Indian MLM industry. From product launches to company expansions, regulatory updates to success stories, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to gain a competitive edge and unlock the true potential of network marketing in India. 1. Industry News Update. Let's kick off our video with the latest industry news. Stay informed about the most recent happenings in the world of network marketing in India. We'll cover new product releases, company announcements, and exciting collaborations that are shaping the MLM landscape. Stay ahead of the curve by staying updated. Topics: Network marketing in India. Indian MLM industry news. Latest trends in network marketing. Indian network marketing updates. MLM business updates India.